Hello and welcome to another update video on VeChain. So here on the VeChain chart, we are still tracking two scenarios, both bullish in the short term. Please note that the yellow scenario remains a possibility. Yeah, this is the scenario in which we could get one more high for a 5-wave move. Basically, I can interpret the move to the upside from the April low in two ways. There are two ways how I can count it as a 5-wave advance. Either it's the yellow pathway directly higher for one more high, then a wave 2 correction, or we have a 5-wave move up already completed as part of what could be blue wave A, and then we're now moving in a wave B pullback. What helps us distinguish between these two potentials? Well, it is the upper support area between 2.5 cents and 2.8 cents. As long as this upper support area holds, basically the scenario in which we could get one more high remains absolutely plausible. Okay, it remains absolutely plausible, absolutely possible. The 2.5 cents, that's the 61.8 retracement, absolute key level for a fourth wave in a diagonal pattern. So yeah, I don't see any sign there, however, that we are reacting to this level. It's already a deep wave 4 as per the yellow count. Yeah, I mean, it's not too deep, but it's already deep. It's just that there is no impulsive reaction or anything yet. Recently, even the price reacted to Fibonacci resistance, which we talked about, I think, in one of the previous videos. So I can remove that now. We don't need that resistance area anymore. So that means at the moment the price is respecting very well the blue count. I mean, if it, had it really been the yellow scenario, then the price already could have proven that. It had the chance already. My experience, when a chart had a chance to rally and it didn't, then it's often not that scenario, even though it's still valid. Okay, another attempt is always still possible, but would want to break above the Friday high, 23rd of May now, 3.1 cents to confirm that further. So that would be the yellow scenario. One more high, absolutely possible. And in that case, resistance is at 3.75 cents. Now in the blue scenario, we might be dealing with a larger AB structure, in which the A wave, as I said, is a 5-wave advance. And we're now in a B wave pullback. But I would like to make a small change to structure, because what I have labeled here as wave B can be classed as an ABC structure, but on several crypto charts, just because it counts a little better at the moment, I have labeled that as a WXY structure now. WXY, it just fits a bit better into the overall broader picture. Not necessarily super relevant, but we can then call it an ABC structure that's unfolding right now, like A wave down, right? B wave up, C wave down. And we might even try for a slightly wider B wave. Important is to understand, what are the relevant parameters. So blue wave B resistance is here. That would be just standard resistance for wave B. I'm going to remove the upper section of our support area there. We don't need that anymore. It's trying to create space. So yeah, see, it's already reacted to the 50% retracement. I mean, it can always retest resistance. We haven't even broken below the last low. So blue is preferred for now. Resistance is between 2.8 cents and 3 cents. I mean, it's a super boring phase at the moment, I can tell you that, because it's always difficult when we have an upper support area and a lower support area. I mean, situation is, let's say, it's still bullish, yeah, but it's unclear whether we are going to see a reaction to the upper support area or the lower one. So in doubt, I would always focus on the lower one, because just for risk management purposes, kind of makes more sense. And also on the smaller time frame, there's no reaction here that is in any way promising. But yeah, I mean, any break above 3 cents would be a little high for the B wave, and that is when we would get a first signal that wave 5 has started. That's the update on VeChain. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.